Hi everyone, I'm going to share a tip on how to export the data from a fillable PDF into an Excel spreadsheet so you don't have to retype it. If you have Adobe Acrobat Pro, I know that you can do this for sure. You might be able to do it in other versions as well, but this is how I have found how to do this. You're going to open Adobe Acrobat, and if you have the prepare form already in your toolbar, that's where you're going to go. If you don't have this option in your toolbar for prepare form, you could also get to it by clicking on Tools, and it'll be under Forms and Signatures, clicking on Prepare Form, and that will pull open those options. Once you have that dialog box open, you are going to click on More Tools and Merge Data Files into Spreadsheet. Here's where you're going to add all of your student entry forms. If the student has completed it digitally and emailed it to you or uploaded it to you in some way, you can select those. If they hand wrote and then just scanned it in, or you scanned it in, that would not work for this. It needs to be the digital information that was written into the fillable PDF. So you select all your files and you click Export and you save it. Give it a name so you can find it again and click Save. And clicking View File Now will pull up that document that you just exported. And here is all the information that was pulled from the forms. Now mine is all the same because I was just copying the same form over and over, but yours would all be different from the different students. Every field that was in the PDF is now a different column. So you can see it goes down. The only information that you're going to need to alter is where there was a check mark in the form. When the little box is checked, it reads as on. And if it was unchecked, then it comes over, exports as off. So you can go back and change those to whatever column it was. So you could change this to high school. And I selected that I was submitting a visual arts. So you could just, anywhere that it was an on, you can go back and change that to whatever it was so that when you're manipulating the data, you remember what is what. And all the way down to the artist statement, so you don't have to retype anything. And then you can manipulate it from there and just copy and paste it wherever you need it into the correct order. You can change the orders of the columns, all like that. I hope that helps.